Hi, I'm Judy Kessinger, the creator of the Fit Nice system. I designed this system to make your sewing easy, and I want to show you another easy project. Make sure that you print out the directions on the V-neck variations. And when you print these out, you're going to see lots of different variations. But I'm going to focus on the one that is the faced V, because this is a really great look in a lot of different ways that you can use it. If you look right here on the dress form, this is the faced V part of this garment. I filled it in with another piece of fabric just to give it detail, but it's a really great garment to do. So let me show you how simple this is. You do need French fuse, because the French fuse is going to go on the facing part of this, and that's what's going to make this so simple and easy to do. So the French fuse you can purchase on my website. The only thing you need to do is to cut out the front of your garment. So this is what I've done. I've cut out the front of my garment. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take chalk. I pressed a crease in the center of my front, as you can see. And I'm going to take chalk and I'm going to draw a line right there, because in a minute I need to see this just a little bit better. All right? Then what I'm going to do, and I'm going to do this with marker, permanent marker, so that you all can see. I've taken a piece that I want to use as my facing, and I've put French fuse on the back side of that entire piece. So I'm going to fold this in half, and I'm going to fold my garment in half like this. And I'm going to make sure that both necklines are cut exactly the same. So let me turn this over so that you can see. So just move this down. This becomes your facing. There is no facing pattern. It's cut according, exactly according to the neckline that you have done for your garment. So turn this around and cut down the neckline like this. Line that back up. That slid on me. Use my pattern weight. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to determine how far down I want this to be. Now you can see I still have all raw edges here. You can clean those up if you want to, and you can really cut this any way you choose. I'm just going to cut it in a box for you right now. But decide how far down you want that V to be. Now the beauty of this is, if you look at the dress form, if you accidentally go too low, you can always fill it back in and get a little bit more detail. But just decide how far down you want this to be. So I'm going to go down, just for you, on the video. I'm going to go down 4 inches and mark it. All right? So this is my center line. And I'm going to draw a line right where that is. Now, I'm using permanent marker. Don't use permanent marker on your fabric. I'm doing it so you all can see better, all right? Now, on either side of that line, I'm going to measure out 1 inch. Now, this determines how much of a V opening you have. So it's up to you as to how much you want. I'll do 1 inch and show you what I'm talking about. So then what I'm going to do is to take my yardstick and draw from there to there and from there to there. These are your sewing lines, so it makes this twice as easy to do. So then all I have to do is to lay this garment right side up, take this piece, put it right side down like this, all right? Now can you see those lines that I drew? I'm going to transfer them to the wrong side so that you can see them. Put a couple of pins in, stitch along those lines, cut right down the center once it's stitched, and you want to clip right to that point that you stitched. Trim away your excess like this. Press it all to the inside, and you have a beautiful faced V. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you've seen how simple and easy this system is to work with. All of the products you've seen in the video are available on my website, or a link on my website. Please make sure while you're there to check out the classes to see where I am. Join me on Facebook under Fit Nice, and be sure to join the Fit Club. Thank you.